Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last session, we have discussed about some of the problems which are related to the that is characteristic equation. After that, one of the important topic for final question for the main exam, that is the applications of determinants and matrices. Under that, there are two systems, that is consistent system and inconsistent system. But according to our study, the consistent system is important system for the category of 5 mark question in the annual exam pattern. The system is consistent. When you say that system is consistent, the system is consistent in the sense that a system of equations is said to be consistent if its solution exists. What is the consistent system? Consistent system is nothing but a system of equations. A system of equations is said to be consistent if its solution, that is one or more, exists. But in our study, we have only one solution, that is nothing but uniqueness solution. More solution is not in your syllabus, but one solution, that is unique solution, we have to study. That is nothing but a system of equations is said to be consistent if its solution exists. The solution may be one or more. Second thing is inconsistent system. Inconsistent system tells us that a system of equations is said to be inconsistent if its solution does not exist. There is no solution, the system is inconsistent. If it is a solution, the system is either gives one solution or more solution. But our job is to find the unique solution for the category of some simultaneous linear equations. The method is nothing but, or the matrix method, solution of finding. One of the important topic you have to learn, that is nothing but solution of system of linear equations using inverse of a matrix, inverse of a matrix. That is nothing but matrix method. What we call, that is nothing but matrix method. What the matrix method tells? Matrix method tells us that consider a system of equations, which is theory. Consider the system of equations. Consider the system of equations. Consider the system of equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, or you write it as b1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. After that, a3x plus b3y plus c3z, which is equal to d3. What we have taken is the three system of equations, that is totally we call it as a system of equations. Out of those, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Out of those values, our job is to find the x, y, z. What is our job? Our job is to find the value of unknowns, that is x, y, z. a1, b1, c1, which are nothing but constants, and d1, d2, d3 are also constants. What is our job? Our job is to find the unknowns of x, y, z. Then the system of equations can be written in the form of, ax is equal to b. Written in the form of ax is equal to b, where a is equal to you write it as matrix of order 3 cross 3, that is A is equal to A1 B1 C1. You write it as a value of A1 B1 C1. After that, quotient of x A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 A3 B3 C3. After that, the value of capital X is nothing but XYZ XYZ XYZ. After that, the constant which are nothing but Ax is equal to B. B is nothing but the constant that is D1. After that, D2. After that, D3. D1, D2, D3 are the constants. Dear students, what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of this small x, small y, small z, and capital B is equal to D1, D2, and D3. This is the constant, and the coefficient of x, y, z are nothing but we have to write in the matrix format. And x is equal to x, y, z, which are nothing but unknowns. That is we have to find it. Now, if A is a non-singular matrix, suppose our assumption is if A is a non-singular matrix, A inverses exist. Correct? Now, here A is a non-singular matrix. So, A inverse exists. That is, consider Ax is equal to B. If Ax is equal to B, free multiply by A inverse. Correct? Why? Because A inverse, if A is non-singular matrix, every non-singular matrix A inverse exists. If it is a singular, determinant equal to 0. Determinant equal to 0 means no need to find out the value of A inverse. Correct? Therefore, A is a non-singular matrix, so A inverse exists. Consider Ax is equal to B. Free multiply by A inverse. 3 multiplied by A inverse. Then automatically what happens? The value becomes, here the value becomes Ax is equal to A inverse into Ax, which is equal to A inverse into B. Correct? Here free multiplication is before the value of B. Here before the value of B. A inverse Ax, A inverse into B. Which implies what is A into A inverse? A into A inverse is I into X, which is equal to A inverse into B. What is the value of I into X is nothing but X is nothing but A inverse into B. A inverse into B, which is nothing but where A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. What is A inverse? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Where determinant of A value only when A is non-singular. A is non-singular matrix. Correct? A is a non-singular matrix. This equation, equation 1 gives a unique solution because inverse of a matrix if it exists is unique. So, and this method of finding unknowns, is called matrix method. What we call this method is nothing but matrix method. What is matrix method? Matrix method is the method to find the value of the unknown with the help of x is equal to A inverse into B. What is the value of x? X is equal to x, y, z, where capital X is nothing but you write it as x, y, z, and B B is nothing but our D1, D2, D3. B is nothing but D1, D2, D3. This is nothing but the method to find the value of unknowns. Let us see one by one problems. Correct? The famous question will comes with the help of that this theory. You can be able to find out the value of x, y, z. Solve the system of equations. I will write the question here. I hope solve the system of equations. System of equations. 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Correct? This is the simultaneous equation. Our job is to find the value of x and y with the help of matrix method. I will write the solution. The above system of equations can be written in the form of Ax is equal to x is equal to b, where A is equal to 2532 and x is equal to some of the values which are x, y. You write it as this fashion, and b is nothing but what? 1, 7. B is nothing but 1, 7. The matrix equation is x is equal to A inverse into B, which implies x is equal to adjoint of capital A divided by determinant of A into B. Before that, our job is to find the adjoint after a determinant. Now, determinant of A is equal to the determinant of A, that is 2, 3, 5, 2, which is nothing but 4 minus 15, which is nothing but minus 11, which is not equals to 0. So therefore A inverse exists. Correct? After that, adjoint of A. Now, adjoint of A is nothing but, you know, it is a simple trick to find the value of adjoint. Replace the diagonal element, first element you must change the sign. 2, here 2, replace the diagonal element. Yes, replacement is there. First element you must change the sign. That is minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, minus 3. Replace the diagonal element. First element you must change the sign. Minus 5, minus 3. Now, what is the value of x? X is nothing but this value. X is the adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into B. Now x is equal to, what is the value of adjoint of A? This value. Determinant of A is minus 1 by 11 into the value of this is nothing but 2 minus 5 minus 3 2 plus into value of the unknowns, that is nothing but B. This is nothing but 1, 7. Then you do the calculation, that is minus 1 by 11 into 2 into 1, that is 2, minus of minus, that is 35, correct? After minus 3 plus 14. which is equal to minus 1 by 11. The value is nothing but 35 minus 2 becomes minus 33, minus 33, 11, correct? 11 minus 3, 11 minus 3, 11 plus 3 becomes 14, 11 minus 3, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but minus, correct? Here write minus of minus 13 divided by 11, correct? 30 minus of minus becomes plus 13 by 11, 11 by 11 minus 11 by 11, which is nothing but what? 11 ones are 11 threes are. After 11 that is minus 1. 11 minus 1. Then next you write therefore x is equal to, therefore capital X is equal to 3 minus 1, which implies what is the value of x? X are nothing but of small xy. Small xy is equal to 3 minus 1. Small xy is equal to 3 minus 1. Correct? What is the value of capital X? Capital X is nothing but xy, small xy. What are the elements? 3 minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Comparison. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 1. Whether it is true or false, you may take as a tally. Correct? Tally. You must take the tally date. 2 into what is the value of x? 3 plus 5 into what is the value of y? Minus 1, which is nothing but 6 minus 5, which is nothing but 1. At the same time, 3 into 3, 9 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 9 minus 2, which is nothing but 7. Both are true. Therefore, method of finding the value of x and y with the help of matrix method. After that, you to take the conclusion that the value will appear in this manner. Correct? Next problem. I will do the 2 problems. Rest I will give homework. You have to do. It is very simple. Again, I will do the 2 cross 2 as it is. Solve the system of this equation using matrix method. I will take now the second question, that is 5x plus 2y, which is equal to 4, 7x plus 3y, which is equal to 5, which is equal to 5. First solution: the above system of equations can be written in the form of Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to 5, 7, 2, 3, x small xy, after that b 4, 4, 5, b is equal to 4, 5. Now matrix equation is Ax equation is x is equal to A inverse into B, where A inverse is equal to adjoint of capital A divided by determinant of A, and B is nothing but 4, 5. Now, determinant of A is equal to determinant of 5 7 2 3 5 5 2 7 3 5 2 7 3 5 into 3 okay 2 into 7 which is nothing but 15 minus 40 15 minus 40 is equal to 1 which is not equal to 0 therefore A inverse exists not equals to 0 therefore A inverse exists. Now adjoint of capital A is nothing but replace the diagonal element and rest element you must change the sign. Replace the diagonal element 3 there will be 5 minus 2 and minus 7. Replace the diagonal element rest element you must change the sign. After that what is x? X is equal to A inverse into B which is nothing but 1 divided by A inverse is nothing but 1 divided by 1 into adjoint of A into 3 minus 7 minus 2 5 into value of B is nothing but what 4 5 it is nothing but 4 5 which is nothing 1 by 1 is 1 as it is minus 7 minus 2 5 and 4 5 which is nothing but 3 into 4 that is 12 okay, minus 10 minus 28 plus 25 which is nothing but 2 after that minus 3 2 and minus 3 this is the value of x. Therefore x is nothing but xy small x capital X is nothing but small xy we have taken there which is nothing but the value of 2 minus 3. So therefore x is equal to 2 y is equal to minus 3 x is equal to 2 y is equal to minus 3 x is equal to comparison x is equal to y is equal to minus 3. These are the some problems you can easily find out the value of unknowns. The method is 2 cross 2. After that we go for a 3 cross 3 method of 3 cross 3. If the method is 3 cross 3, adjoint is very difficult. There is cofactor of each and every element you have to find it. Correct? You know it is find the cofactor and all those things. I will write the question here. Question number 3. 3x minus 2y plus 3z which is equal to 8. 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1. 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4. Plus 2z is equal to 4. Solution. The above system of equations can be written in the form of Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, x is equal to some of the values which are unknowns, x, y, z. After that, b is nothing but 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4. The matrix equation is matrix equation is Ax is equal to B, sorry, x is equal to A inverse, x is equal to matrix equation, x is equal to A inverse into B. What is the value of A inverse? A inverse is nothing but adjoint of E, where A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Correct? First determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3, minus 1, 2, which is equal to 3 into, immediately write the answer 2, 2 into 1, 2, minus of minus plus 3, again minus 3, there is a formula minus, after that minus of minus, that is plus 2, after that 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 4, plus 4, correct? 2 into 1, 2, minus of minus minus 3, plus 2, 2 into 2, 4, minus of minus plus 4, plus 3, minus 6, minus 4, minus 4. 3 into minus 1, plus 2 into 8, plus 3 into minus 10, which is nothing but minus 3, plus 16, minus 30, which is nothing but minus 33, plus 16. What is the value? Minus 70. Correct? Minus determinant of A is equal to minus 70, which is not equals to 0. So A inverse exists. So A inverse exists. Now our job is to find the adjoint of A. Now cofactor of 1, cofactor of the value of 3, cofactor of 3 is equal to plus into, cofactor of plus into 2 into 2, that is 2, minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. Cofactor of value is nothing but minus 1. Minus of minus plus 3, minus of minus plus 3, plus 3 into minus 1, that is nothing but minus 1. After that, cofactor of minus 2, which is equal to position is minus 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 4, which is equal to minus 8. Cofactor of 3, position is plus value 3 into minus 6, minus 4, which is equal to minus 10. Cofactor of 2, position is minus 4, this value get close, correct? This value and this value. Position of 2 is this value, this get eliminated, this get eliminated. Minus 2 into minus 4, plus 9, minus of minus, plus 9 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5, which is nothing but 1, plus minus plus, minus plus, plus, get close, this value and this value get close, 6, this value close, correct, because of 1, this value and this value, 3 into 2, 6, minus 12, minus 6, correct, minus 6. After that, cofactor of minus 1, the position is plus minus, position is minus, value get close, minus 9, plus 8, which is equal to plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. After that, cofactor of 4, position is plus 2, minus 3, which is equal to minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1. Cofactor of minus 3, plus minus plus minus, minus 3, plus 9. After that, cofactor of 2, which is equal to plus plus value. This value get 3 minus of minus plus 4, which is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Therefore cofactor of capital A is equals to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 8 10 sorry minus 10 minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7 minus 1 9 7. Therefore adjoint of capital A is nothing but transpose of the cofactor matrix. What is the transpose of the cofactor matrix? You have to write the elements in the reverse order. That is minus 1 5 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7. Before that it is in the column, now it is in the row, because adjoint means transpose of the cofactor matrix. Correct? After that, what is the adjoint? This value. Determinant is minus 70. Now x is equal to adjoint of it minus 1 by 70 because determinant is minus 70 into adjoint of A minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7, correct, into the value of B is nothing but 814, correct, 814, which is nothing but minus 1 by 70 as it is. You take the multiplication, minus 8 minus 5 minus 4, correct, minus 64 minus 6 plus 36 minus 18 plus 1 plus 28 plus 28, which is equal to minus 1 by 70 minus 17. After that, what are the values? 64 plus 6 becomes 70. 70 minus 36. 70 minus 36 is 34. That is minus 34. After that, 28 plus 1, 29. 29, that is 80. 80 means minus 51. Correct? Minus 51. Which is nothing but, which is the value of x, which implies x is equal to, you write it as minus 17 by minus of minus, that is plus 17 by 17. 17 by 17 minus of minus plus minus of minus 34 by 17. After that, minus of minus 51 by 17, which is equals to 7 1 is 7 1, 7 2 is 2, 7 3 1 2 3. X is equal to capital X is equal to 3. Therefore, capital X is equal to 3. Therefore, what is the value of small x y z? Now x y z, which is equals to x y z is equal to 1 2 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. This is the value of x, y, z. Whether it is correct or not, just to take the 10. 10. What is the value? 3, x is 1, minus 2 into 1, y is 1, plus 3 into 3, which is nothing but what? 3 minus 2 plus 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus, sorry, 2 into y is 2, correct? 2 into 2, that is 4. 4. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 4 becomes 12 minus 4 becomes 8. 12 minus 4 becomes 8. All are correct. 8. After that, 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Answers are verified, get verified, correct? Therefore, this is the method we are finding the value of x, y, z. Again, I want to write one more questions from the same category, that is 3 cross 3. Again, I will do the question that is important for exam also. I will write one more question that is fourth one. 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1. X minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2. 3y minus 5z, which is equal to 9. 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. Dear students, this is the question where we have to find out the value of x, y, z. Solution. The above system of equations rewritten as 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2. After that, 0 into x plus 3 into y minus 5z is equal to 9. Dear students, I make the small rectification here. 0 into x, they are not given x value. Our job is to write the value of x, that is 0 into x plus 3 into y minus 5z is equal to 9. Correct? Then the above system of equations, can be written in the form of Ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b, where A is equal to 2, 2, 1, 0, nothing. You have to write as a 0, 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, minus 5. After that, b is equal to 1, 3 by 2, 9, 1, 3 by 2, 9, and x is equal to x, y, z, equal to x, y, z, x, y, z. After that, the matrix equation is x is equal to A inverse into B, where A inverse is equal to determinant of A divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to the value of this 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, minus 5, 1 minus 5, which is equal to 2 into 10 plus 3. But I will write directly to minus 1 minus plus 10, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 into minus 5, 0, plus 1 into 3 minus 0, which is equal to 2 into 13, minus 1 into minus 5 plus 3, which is equal to 26, plus 5 plus 3, which is nothing but 34. Determinant of A is equal to 26 plus 5, 31, 31 plus 3 becomes 34, which is not equals to 0. So, A inverse exists. So, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Now, A inverse exists. Now, adjoint topic cofactor of 2, which is equal to plus. Cofactor of 2 is nothing but plus into the value is nothing but 10 plus 3, which is nothing but 13. Cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 1 is equal to minus. This value is nothing but minus 5. It is nothing but 5. Cofactor of 1. This value will terminate this minus 5, 0. After that, cofactor of 1, which is equal to plus 3 minus 0, which is equal to 3. After that, cofactor of 1 plus minus this value is minus 5 minus 3, which is equal to 8. Minus 8 plus 8. After that, cofactor of minus 2, position is minus plus, position is plus. This value gets close, this value is into this minus 10. After that, 1 into 0, that is 0, which is nothing but minus 10. Minus 10. After that, cofactor of cofactor of minus 2, cofactor of 1, cofactor of minus 1, cofactor of minus 1 is equal to plus minus, this value get close. 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 0 is equal to minus 6, minus 1 is this value get close, this 2 into 3, 6, 0. Cofactor of 0 plus minus plus, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. Cofactor of 3 minus plus minus, minus plus, which is nothing but minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Correct? Cofactor of 3 is nothing but this value get close, this value get close. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Cofactor of minus 5 plus minus 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. Therefore, cofactor of A is equal to, what are the values? 13, 5, 3, 8 minus 10 minus 6, 1, 3 minus 5, 1, 3 minus 5. Therefore, adjoint of A, ADA of A, which is equals to 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3 minus 6 minus 5, 3 minus 6 minus 5. Now, determinant of A, right? Now the matrix equation. Matrix equation x is equal to A inverse into B, where A inverse is equal to ADJ of A divided by determinant of A, which implies x is equal to AD 1 divided by 34 into ADJ of A, 13, 5, 3, 8 minus 10 minus 6, 1, 3 minus 5 into the value of B, 1, 3 by 2, 9, 1, 3 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 9, which is nothing but 1 by 34, 13 into 30, 13, 24, 8 into 3, 8 into 3 by 2. 8 into 3 by 2 means what? 8 into 13 into 1, 8, 24 by 2. 24 by 2 means 12 plus 12 plus 9 plus 9. 5 into 1, 5 minus 30 means minus 15 plus 27. 3 into 1 that is 3 minus 16, 18 by 2 means minus 9 minus 45, What are the values? 1 by 34, the value should be what? 12 plus 9, 21, 21 plus 10, 31, 31 plus 3 becomes 34. After that, 27 plus 5, 32, 32 minus 15, that is 17, 17, you call this 17, correct? After that, 45 plus 9, 54, 54 minus 3, 51, 51, correct? 3 into 3, 3 into 1, 3, correct? Minus 6, 6 into 3, 18. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Minus 45. What happens? Minus 45 plus 9 becomes minus 54. 54 minus 3. 54 minus 3 becomes 51. Minus 51. Minus 51. What are the values? Values of x are nothing but. Values of x, correct? What happens? This value is nothing but x is equal to, you write it as 34 by 34 becomes 1, 17 by 34 becomes 17 ones are 17 twos are, that is 1 by 2, 51 by 34 means minus 51 divided by 34, 17 twos are 17 threes are, minus 3 by 2, correct? Minus 3 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to which implies x is nothing but our xyz, which is equals to xyz is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to half, z is equal to minus 3 by 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to half, z is equal to minus 3 by 2. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to half, z is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the some examples, correct? This after that we will have some of the real problems which comes under the applications of mathematics, that is the determinants, application of determinants and matrices. That problem we will see in the next class. Thank you.